How to do planks to flatten stomach. Planks are often considered the best exercise because they activate all your major muscle groups. They are also convenient because you can do them in almost any place, and there's no need for any extra equipment. Additionally, it is an excellent exercise regardless of your current strength or fitness level. As you get stronger, you can always make it more difficult by holding your plank position for more extended periods. The primary purpose of the plank exercise is to strengthen your entire torso. So, besides enabling you to flatten your stomach, regular plank exercises will help you improve your strength, balance, and posture. Planks also help you strengthen the muscles around your neck, arms, legs, and buttocks. And although you might not physically notice the differences, doing this will reduce your risk for injury around your wrists, hands, toes, and ankles. To strengthen yourself and flatten your stomach with planks, you must know how to do them correctly. There are two basic types, the high planks and the forearm plank. Here's how you do both correctly. High planks. Hold yourself on the floor or an exercise mat with your hands and toes. Keep your arms straight and keep your hands directly below your shoulders. Tuck your toes and firmly plant them on the ground. Keep your legs close together and maintain a straight line from your torso. Ensure that your neck and hips are in a neutral position. Once you've got the plank posture right, hold the position until your timer runs out. Forearm planks. Like the high plank, you will form a stiff, straight line from your head to your toes. But instead of holding yourself up on your palms, you will do so with your forearms. Your forearms should be parallel to your body and positioned right below your shoulders. Ensure your legs are close together and your knees are straight but not locked or hyperextended. Keep your neck in a neutral position or you'll end up straining it. Once you've perfected your posture, breathe slowly and evenly, and hold your position until your timer goes off. The benefits of a high plank and a forearm plank are essentially the same, so you can choose whichever is more comfortable for you to do. The decision will primarily be based on personal preference. Whichever you prefer, make sure you push yourself. If you're a beginner, start with a 15-second hold and gradually increase the time until you can hold it for up to 2 minutes. Remember that planks can only help flatten your stomach if you do it correctly. But the longer you can maintain a good form, the stronger you will become, and the more defined your abs will be. Don't overwork yourself to the point that your form suffers or your breathing is jeopardized. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.